Hello viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel Roshni with Hina. Today I will discuss the topic kitchen item names in English. Measuring cups and spoons. Measuring cups are used to measure liquid ingredients. Measuring spoons are used for measuring small quantities of dry or liquid ingredients. Both cups and spoons come in different sizes. Cutting board. A flat board used for cutting food, made from materials such as wood, plastic, or bamboo. Available in different sizes and shapes. Knife, a tool used for cutting food or other materials. Common types include the chef knife, paring knife, and serrated knife. Blade materials include stainless steel, carbon steel, and ceramic. Grater, a kitchen tool used to shred food into small pieces. It comes in different sizes and shapes. Can be used for grating cheese, vegetables, and fruits. Mixing bowl. A mixing bowl is a deep bowl used for mixing ingredients. They come in a variety of sizes and materials, including stainless steel, glass, and plastic. A mixing bowl is an essential tool for baking and cooking. Colander. A colander is a kitchen utensil used to strain foods such as pasta or to rinse vegetables. Whisk. A whisk is a cooking utensil which can be used to blend ingredients smooth or to incorporate air into a mixture in a process known as whisking or whipping. Ladle. A ladle is a type of serving spoon used for soup, stew, or other foods. Tongues. Tongues are a type of tool used to grip and lift objects instead of holding them directly with hands. Rolling pin. A long rounded wooden or marble tool rolled across dough to flatten it. Skillet. A fry pan or skillet is a flat bottomed pan used for frying, stirring, and boiling food. Thank you for learning about the kitchen item name with me today. Thank you for choosing Roshni with Hina channel. Kindly share, like, and subscribe.